Number 1. Which of the following is allowed to be supplied by circuits not exceeding 120 volts nominal between conductors? A. Auxiliary equipment of electric discharge lamps. B. The terminal of lamp holders applied within their voltage rating. C. All of the above. Answer is C. All of the above. Number 2. A device intended for the protection of personnel that functions to de-energize a circuit or portion thereof within an established period of time when a ground fault current exceeds the values established for a Class A device. A. Arc fault circuit interrupter. B. Electronically activity fuse. C. Ground fault circuit interrupter. D. Separately derived system. Answer is C. Ground fault circuit interrupter. Number 3. All switches and circuit breakers used as switches shall be located so the operating handle when in its highest position is not more than blank above the floor or working platform. A. 5 feet and 6 inches. B. 6 feet. C. 6 feet and 7 inches. D. 7 feet. The correct answer is C. 6 feet and 7 inches. Number 4. What is the minimum burial depth in inches in a trench below 2-inch thick concrete or equivalent for residential branch circuits rated up to 120 volts with GFCI protection and overcurrent protection of 20 amperes or less? A. 18, B. 12, C. 24, D. 6. The answer is D. 6. Number 5. Unless listed for controlling other loads and installed accordingly, general use dimmer switches may be used only for permanently installed. A. Fluorescent lights. B. Incandescent luminaires. C. Lightning receptacle outlets. D. Paddle fans. Answer is B. Incandescent luminaires. Number 6. Of the following, which must be provided for a conductor of a size 4 EWG or larger entering a panel board? A. A banding jumper. B. A grounding clip. C. An insulated bushing. D. An insulated grounding conductor. The answer is B. A grounding clip. Number 7. Panel boards shall be required to have overcurrent protection except for blank. A. Existing panel board used for individual residency service equipment. B. Panel boards containing less than 42 overcurrent devices. C. Panel boards containing only single-pole overcurrent devices. D. Panel board supplying another structure within the same panel board. The correct answer is A. Existing panel board used for individual residency service equipment. Number 8. Wherever flexible cords with attachment plugs are to be used, a receptacle outlet must be installed, and where such cords may be permanently connected, then receptacles are blank for the same type of cords. A. Permitted to be omitted. B. Permanently installed. C. Mark. D. Installed. Correct answer is A. Permitted to be omitted. Number 9. What table is used for current values to determine the required ampacity of the branch circuit conductors to supply a 3-phase continuous duty AC motor? A. Table 430.248 of the NAC. B. Table 430.250 of the NAC. C. Table 430.52 of the NAC. D. the motor's nameplate. Answer is B, table 430.250 of the NEC. Number 10. Only blank outlet loads may be supplied by branch circuits of over 50 amperes. A. Cooking equipment. B. Lighting. C. Non-lighting. D. Appliances. Correct answer is C. Non-lighting. Number 11. When wiring is located inside the cavity of a fire-rated floor ceiling or roof ceiling assembly, it may not be supported by or secured to blank. A. Cantilevered floor joist. B. The ceiling assembly including the ceiling support wires. C. Joist beams or columns. D. Metal cross members. Correct answer is B. The ceiling assembly including the ceiling support wires. Number 12. Outlets that supply both hose installed in dwelling unit locations and supplied by blank shall have ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. Please select the correct answers. A. All 125 volt, 15 and 20 ampere or greater branch circuits. B. All 20 ampere branch circuits. C. Outlets not exceeding 240 volts. D. 3 wire branch circuits, 125 volts, 15 and 20 ampere. Correct answer is C and D. Number 13. Lighting system for fountains, pools, spa, and similar locations must be installed blank or more horizontally from the nearest water edge, unless Article 680 permits otherwise. A. 6 meters to 20 feet. B. 9 meters to 30 feet. 3. Letter C. 3 meters to 10 feet. D. 12 meters or 40 feet. Correct answer is C. 3 meters to 10 feet. Number 14. Emergency systems are intended to automatically supply power and or illumination that is essential for blank and are legally required and classed as emergency by any governmental agency having jurisdiction. A. Community activity. B. Police and emergency services. C. Public welfare. D. Safety to the human life. Answer is D. Safety to human life. Number 15. What table is used for current values to determine the required ampacity of the branch circuit conductors to supply a three-phase continuous duty AC motor? A. Table 430.52 of the NAC. B. Table 430.250 of the NAC. C. The motor's nameplate. D. Table 430.248 of the NEC. The correct answer is B. Table 430.250 of the NEC. Number 16. When electrical installations are in hollow pieces, ventilations or air handling ducts, and vertical shafts, they must be made so the chance of spread of fire or other products of combustion will not be substantially increased. Opening around electrical penetrations through or into fire-resistant rated ceilings, floors, partitions, or walls must be blank with approved methods to maintain the existing fire resistance rating. Black caulk or tape. Fire stop, sealed wrong. What is the maximum of the ampere rating of the switch for general use snap switches supplying inductive loads and the applied voltage? A. 75%. B. 60%, D. 50%, and C. 85%. Correct answer is D. 50%. Number 17. Aluminum fixtures that weighs more than blank pounds or exceeds 16 inches in any dimension shall not be supported by the screw shell of a lamp holder. A. 18 pounds, B. 10 pounds, C. 6 pounds, D. 12 pounds. Answer is C. 6 pounds. 18. Where a cable or recipe type wiring method is installed through bored holes in joists, rafters, or wood members in both concealed and exposed locations, holes must be bored so that the edge of the hole is blank in or more from the nearest edge of the wood member. Where the distance is not possible, the cable or raceway must be protected from penetration by nails or screws by use of steel bashing or plate blank and thick or more and of the correct length and width installed to cover the area where the wiring is located. A. 1.625, B. 1.5, C. 1.75, D. 1.25. Answer is D. 1.25. Number 19. For conductors on a branch circuit that supplies luminaires in its residence, what is the maximum allowable voltage between conductors on a branch circuit supplying luminaires in a residence? A. 150 volts, B. 240 volts, C. 120 volts, or D. 250 volts. Correct answer is C. 150 volts. Number 20. All conductors of the same circuits and were used, the grounded conductor and all equipment grounding conductors and bonding conductors shall be contained within the same blank. A. Channel, B. Raceway, C. Conduit, D. Pipe. Correct answer is B. Raceway. Number 21. An organization, office, or individual responsible for enforcing the requirements of a code or standard or for approving equipment, materials, an installation, or a procedure. A. National Building Authority, B. Authority having jurisdiction, C. Building and Safety Department, D. Code Enforcement Agency. Correct answer is B. Authority having jurisdiction. 22. Snap switches must not be gauged or grouped in enclosures with other receptacles, snap switches, or similar devices unless they are placed so that the voltage is blank volts or less between adjacent devices, or unless placed in enclosures with secure installed identified barriers between adjacent devices. A. 300 volts, B. 120 volts, C. 480 volts, or D. 240 volts. Correct answer is A. 300 volts. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Automation Academy, and comment down below. And don't forget to share the love. Bye bye.